So we want to put the Lucas, we want to oil this up with, or put Lucas around this bad boy here. Okay. Get that like that. Then we're going to lift that rocker and we're going to put that up into its sleeve. It'll hold with that Lucas up in there. And we're going to do the same thing as we did with the intakes, but now with the exhausts. Okay. And you'll be able to kind of hold that up with your thumb while you put the rocker bridge in, the bridge in place. Make sure you catch both valves. Okay, and there's that one. That one's done. All right, so now we've got the exhausts are all in. So we'll clean up the hands a little bit from all that Lucas. And we're at a point now where we're going to start putting the bolts in for the rack. Now this torquing methodology here, let's clean up this Lucas can. I like Lucas, it stays longer, just like it does with its oil treatment. And the top's up there somewhere. Using that one a little bit. So, all right. So now what we're going to do? Stand up here. Now we're going to take our bolts. We're going to drop them down in. We got one of the big guy here. That's the 18 that goes at the back. Drop our bolts in there. Some guys leave them in there when they move the rack. I like to take them out. It really doesn't matter. You don't have to put them in the same holes as they come out. A lot of guys will say, well, you gotta put them in the same hole. They don't have to put them in the same hole. So, all right. So we got one oddball going here. Here we go. It goes over here. All right. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to start to zip them down. But there's I'm going to be really careful with that and how they're getting zipped down. What I'm going to do is make contact. I'm not touching the front ones, not yet. Take that extension off of there. Back there, zip it down a little. Okay. Now, from the center out, I'm going to work on just the back ones of the two. A little tap, little tap, little tap, and so on and so forth. back. We'll give that 18 a tap.